What's the title of the song that a lot of members sing that song right now? Go full follow all back, right? Last night I saw it appears in my recommendation, and then the content is covering that song, but it's a villagers Minecraft. You really need to check. It's really amazing. It's really amazing. It's very cool. And then I thought, hey, what if actually I created a cover of Kyofu Allback, but Goriela only hoo ha like that. I canceled that plan, but it's really cool. Very creative. Oh, there is also the creeper version. Wait, what? I haven't looked at that. Is that really a creeper version one? But I watched the villagers one. We have it Kaela version instead already make it. I know. I watched that one.